Looking good every day is not about luck or a closet that is full of clothes or items, but it's all about the daily routines combined with some smart habit that compound over time. You want the secret? Then stick around and allow your glow up to begin. Hello to all my revolutionary sisters out there. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's title, we'll be diving straight to how to look good every day without trying hard. Tip number one, it will be dress your mindset first. I believe that's where the true beauty begins. Looking good every day starts from the inside out. It is about nurturing your mindset and protecting your peace and staying grounded in who you are. Before we can even dress our beautiful bodies with our cute outfits, let's first dress our mindset first. Building healthy daily habits, speaking kindly to yourself, practicing gratitude, set small goals. These steps elevate you naturally by helping you to carry yourself with more confidence and grace. As true beauty lies on emotional balance, self respect, also resilience. Mostly, the way we feel internally reflect in our energy, posture, and also our presence. So, if you want to look good every day, start by taking care of your thoughts, emotions, and self worth. Because let's be real, no outfit can compete with a calm spirit and a confident soul. Tip number two, it will be opt for seamless underwear. So when it comes to looking all put together without trying hard, one of the important key is to paying attention to details. So details matters, and that include what is underneath. While choosing a seamless underwear is simple, but also it is a powerful way to elevate your everyday look. Having no visible lines, no bunching lead to no distraction to your outfit, but just a smooth, clean and silhouette that lead your clothes to fit and fall exactly the way they are supposed to be. Whether you wear leggings, jeans or fit dresses, seamless underwear help you to appear effortless and polished. Nevertheless, this technique is the one of those behind the scene choice that quietly support your confidence and comfort, making you look and feel good all day long. Tip number three, it will be write down your maintenance plan. Looking good every day is not about big transformations, but it is all about consistency. And to furthermore, let's start with having a clear maintenance plan. So writing it down helps you to stay intentional while also helping you to navigate it through your busy schedule, such as reminding you on the days where you're supposed to take care of your skincare routine, hair care routine, your wardrobe upkeeping, mostly important, your mental check-in. So putting it down make it easy to be attainable, trackable, and easier to stick to. Instead of guessing when to trim or wash your hair, update your wardrobe or exfoliating your skin. The plan keep you on top of it all without stress. So a written routine become your personal guide to stay polished, refreshed, and confident without getting overwhelmed. Tip number five, it will be tucking in your shirt or your t-shirt. So one of the easiest way to instantly elevate your outfit with less effort is simply by tucking in your shirt or t-shirt. Though it may seem like a small detail, but it makes a big difference in how polished and put together you look. Taking helps in defining your waist while adding some structure and brings a balance to your overall silhouette. Whether you're wearing a jean, trousers, or even some skirt, taking in turns a basic outfit into something intentional and stylish. If you're looking into looking good every day without trying too hard, simply start with a tuck. It is clean, easy, and it gives the instant glow up energy. Tip number five, it will be find your body type.
Want to look good every day without trying too hard? One of the most powerful things you can do is to understand your body type. The benefit of knowing your body type helps in choosing the clothes that naturally flatter your body while highlighting your best features and creating a balance in your overall look. It eliminated the guesswork upon getting dressed. No more wasting time and money on those outfits that make you feel uncomfortable. Bear in mind, when you dress for your body type, your outfit looks more intentional and stylish even on simple outfit. Ladies, it's not about changing your body, but celebrating it with confident and smart choices. Tip number 6, it will be shop intentionally. Looking good every day doesn't require a closet that is full of clothes, but a shopping with intention. Buy pieces that truly fit your lifestyle, body, and your personal style. By doing so, you're making getting dressed simple and stress free. So, what does intentional shopping really mean? That simply means choosing quality over quantity, versatile over trendy, also timeless over temporary. So, intentional shopping helps your wardrobe to work for you, making it easy to look polished without overthinking. It is such a mindful habit that saves you time and money and energy while helping you to look effortless, stylish every single day.
Stop worrying so much about getting things wrong. Success has nothing to do with perfection. So stop being nervous, raise your hand, use your voice, get it wrong, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving on. And don't worry about what other people think. It doesn't matter. I'm 50 years old now, and nothing anyone said to me when I was young that was negative matters. It doesn't matter. So be brave, use your voice, ignore the doubters, and work hard because life is hard work. Don't be afraid of it. Just do it.
And remember, looking good every day isn't about doing the most, but doing what matters. From taking in your shirt, knowing your body type, writing down your maintenance plan, and shopping with intention. It is the small, mindful habit that make the biggest difference. Yes, you don't need expensive clothes or a full glam routine, but just confidence, consistency, and a little bit of self-love. Most importantly, I am so proud of you for showing up for yourself. And if no one told you today, you are doing great. If this helps you feel more inspired and empowered, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am here to grow with you one simple powerful step at a time. Don't forget to let us know which tip you resonated with the most and which one have you been incorporating in your life. Up until the next time, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye bye.